Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, my 2014 Jeep Wrangler JKU, I'm going to show you how to remove the lower rad hose. If you watched the video in the upper rad hose, the first part's going to be very familiar to you because I'm just reusing it twice. Drain the coolant, make sure it's cold, remove the air intake clamp or loosen it. There's supposed to be 2 bolts for your air intake. I'm missing one, so I only have one to remove. Remove the hose off the air box. It might be stuck, so you just got to give it some twists. And then there's an air intake temperature sensor on the intake as well. I got my sausage fingers in the way, and there's a little tab you got to press, and pops that out. Slide the boot off the throttle body, lift up the air intake, and pull it out, just like such. The next step, I'm using my special pliers to remove the clamps. It squeeze it, locks it in place. And in order to do this one, just slide it forward onto the rad neck. And once again, I'm using a hose pick to break it free, but you're just replacing the hose. So I don't know why I did it this way. Just use a knife and cut it. It's easier there. It's off. I got some leakage on my knuckle. And then we got to do the other one. It's down there deep. It might be easier to get it from the bottom, but I'm doing it from the top because I like to suffer. It's just the way it is. So I'm using the special pliers that's connected to a cable so I can get down in there easier. And you just squeeze it. And then once I squeeze it, it's the same thing. I'm going to push the clamp up out of the way of the hose. And then that way I can start working the hose to get it off. Once again, I should have just used a knife to cut it. But I'm going to struggle with it and get pretty angry at this point. When I should have just took the easy route and cut it, be done with it. So I put some gloves on, because I'm already leaking because I wrapped my knuckles once, and we know how much fun that is. And then I'm removing the lower hose and spilling coolant all over the place, making a mess. Got the new hose. I'm going to stick the bottom one on first, because that's the one I'm going to struggle the most with. So push it on the water pump neck right there as such. There's another view, first person view, getting her on. Getting into place, and I'm using the special pliers again that has the cable, releasing the tension, and then clamps in place, remove it. Now we got the bottom upper hose to connect, and once again I have the hose clamp on the rad neck, so I'm just pushing the hose into place as such. Got it into place using the rad hose pliers, getting it on. Perfect, we're done. This is simple, no BS video, no talking, right to the point so person sees. Refill with coolant, bleed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.